Hi guys, I'm Maria Brown. Welcome back. Well, today we're going to talk about aging. Do you go gracefully or do you fight? Now, before we go any further, remember to subscribe. Okay, come on, let's go get started. My neck is the area that I decided to do this in. So basically it's just, they take the blood, they spin it, they take the good stuff out, and they re-inject it into areas that you need it in. It already looks so much better than it did just an hour ago. It's supposed to help your skin, your old skin. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so this is less than 48 hours later. There's still a little bit of bruising here, a little bit right there. So here is my neck the 4th day after PRF. You can see a little bit of bruising here and here. It's way better. And look how nice and smooth my neck looks. So I'm sure I'm going to have it again at some point. Give me a thumbs up if you got anything out of that video. Leave your questions and comments below and be sure to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.